Alright, here we have the return from Darrell from Queen Creek, Arizona. Let's check it out. We do have seatbelt left side from W29 Mercedes. Oh, it's heavy. First of all, let's make sure it's the one that we sent, and looks like it was not blown, and it's got our markings, so yeah, everything is good there. And Darrell was claiming that the seat belt is not working. You cannot retract the seat belt. Let's check it out. Oh wow, you can retract it however you want. So Darrell looks like made a false claim saying that the seatbelt is not working. You can retract it however you want, as long as it sits in a proper position. If you will tilt it, you cannot. As long as it sits properly. And what a surprise!